Alright, good day. We are going to make Bhindi Bhujiya, which is ladyfinger. So you can see that it has already been cut into cubes, chopped. And you always remove the top and ends and cut in between so that you can know if there are any worms or caterpillars inside, because yes, it is this vegetable has compartments where the caterpillars love to hibernate. So I'm going to stir fry it now, and I've used olive oil just to cover the base of the pot. This is a ceramic pot, as you can see, and I'm going to stir fry ladyfinger for say 10 to 12 minutes. So when you are stir frying ladyfingers, because they tend to get sticky very quickly if wet, so make sure you wash and dry it before cutting. And then while frying, take care that you are using the same method that you would use to fold in flour in cake mixture. So simply just stir very carefully so that you are not damaging this sensitive vegetable. And simply make sure that it's done once, and then you can do it like this with both hands and keep stirring like this very carefully. Another thing to bear in mind while stir frying ladyfinger is cut ladyfinger is that you do not cover and cook it, because if you cover, then the lace will come out more. Alright, in the meantime, while the ladyfinger or bhindi is being stir fried, I'm going to make yogurt, green yogurt raita. So for that we need yogurt, and I have already grinded green chilies, green mint, coriander, and green onions, spring onions. So I'm just going to mix it. So just going to add some milk to make it of a medium thin consistency liquid. So as you know, yogurt is protein and milk is also protein, because all animal origin foods are proteins, rich in proteins. So this is a very nutritious raita. Yogurt is always nutritious, and so is milk. And when you add a little bit of herbs to it, just like you have dips, it adds and enhances flavors and also adds to the nutritional content. Sometimes if you do not have fresh mint and coriander, what you can do is that I've got this Podina raita mix. So you can use the dried herbs, mint and coriander, and plus we always add cumin seeds because they've got health benefits. So to the dip raita or chutney. And plus, remember, I forgot the name of this garam masala herb. This is the stick called darchini in Urdu, and now I remember that it's called cinnamon. Yes, this is a cinnamon stick. And we also use the cinnamon in powder form in not only our dishes, but also in the yogurt side dish or accompaniment. There you go. So now this accompaniment to stir-fried ladyfinger. So you can see now that the ladyfinger bhindi is sort of changing color. A few more minutes, and then I will stir fry onions. So I have removed the ladyfinger or bhindi from the pot because it's pretty much fried, and now I'm going to fry the onions, and I'm using the same oil, but if you feel that the base is dry, then there's no harm in adding more of the oil or butter, whatever you want to use, because we need to soften these onions. So there you go. And again, it's my mom's recipe, and if you have... So I'm using the same pot. So I have added or injected new oil, a little bit of more oil to make the curry base. And of course I'm going to use ginger and garlic paste in it. Stir fry them, and then I am going to add tomatoes and then a little bit of water with fried onions to make the curry paste. And so there you go. After stir frying, I'm just going to simply add the seasoning. The tomatoes can be mashed or can be left because in bhujia or stir fried, it's good to see red color with the other vegetables so that it does not become mono color. Now I'm going to add red chili, 1 coffee teaspoon. So this is my coffee teaspoon. There you go. It's smaller than the usual teaspoon. That's because we are just 4 people. I'm making this dish for only 4 people. And there we go. I've just put in salt, and this is the turmeric, 11 teaspoons. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. When it comes to the simmering point, I'm going to add not only the fried onions, but also the fried ladyfinger or bhindi. Yeah, and mixing them together will be the end of this cooking. It is already coming to simmer. I just need to add a little bit of more water, yeah, so that the simmering encourages the seasonings to seep into the fried onions and the ladyfingers, stir-fried ladyfingers. Yeah, so this is why I'm putting in a little bit of more water, and as soon as it starts to simmer, I'm simply going to add and then carefully blend in or wrap or how do you, I've forgotten. There was a time when brownies, yeah, they never finished. I love them so much that in our home brownies never finished. I mean, whenever they were about to finish, I used to bake more brownies. So there you go, simmering. Now I'm going to add the stir-fried vegetables, onion and ladyfinger, and then I'm simply going to gently fold the base into these vegetables and fold the vegetables into the base so that they are evenly seasonings saturate in the vegetables evenly. And I will only cover it with the lid when I see it simmering, and then I will just simply switch off the burner because the dish will be done. See how colorful it is, isn't it? So just a few more minutes. Yep, be patient. And if you are unsure, it's always a good thing to just take a teaspoonful of it, just like this, and you can taste it. Is it saturated with seasoning? Is it done or not? And you just have to so you can serve the ready dish with the accompaniment is obviously the raita or chutney, the yogurt, green yogurt, and you can serve it with roti or pulka or wraps. At this time I am using wraps, and you can get them whole grain from the market, Australian market, or you can use these parathas. These are raw, but you have to fry them on hot plate in order to get them brown and edible. So at the moment they are raw. So you can use paratha or the tortillas, or perhaps go for the Turkish bread, naan, Lebanese bread. They are all